Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the quick and easy steps to register for a MoneyGram account. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Visit the MoneyGram website. Start by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the official MoneyGram website. Look for the Sign Up or Get Started button prominently displayed on the homepage. Step 2. Choose your registration type. Once you click on the registration button, you may be prompted to select the type of account you want to create, personal or business. Choose the option that fits your needs best. Step 3. Enter your personal information. You will be asked to provide essential information such as your name, email address, phone number, and mailing address. Fill in these fields accurately, as they are critical for your account setup and verification. Step 4. Set a password. After entering your personal details, you will need to create a strong password for your account. Make sure it contains a combination of letters, numbers, and special characters to enhance security. Step 5. Verify your identity. To comply with financial regulations, MoneyGram may require you to verify your identity. This may involve answering security questions or providing identification documents. Follow the prompts to complete this step. Step 6. Accept terms and conditions. Read through MoneyGram's terms and conditions carefully. Once you are familiar with them, check the box indicating that you agree to the terms and click Submit to proceed. Step 7. Confirm your email. Check your email inbox for a confirmation message from MoneyGram. Click the link provided in the email to verify your account. If you don't see it in your inbox, be sure to check your spam or junk folder. Step 8. Log in to your new account. Return to the MoneyGram website and log in using the email and password you just created. You are now ready to start using your MoneyGram account for money transfers, bill payments, and more. That's it. You have successfully registered for a MoneyGram account using this quick method. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more easy-to-follow guides. Thank you for watching.